This is a look at Viper's VX buckle up system. This is their carrier in range green. This pocket goes all the way out here and goes all the way down there. It has some shoulder pads, one for padding like this, and another one for routing of cables and things like that. This here is where you size it up via the Velcro straps over here. And now, of course, the main talking point of this carrier is the buckle up system, and this is the panel that comes with the carrier. Now, it's not compatible with other systems. This is a D3 chest rig, and as you can see, it's a little bit larger, and also the clips are a different size too, so when you try to put them on, they won't go in all the way, as you can see. Also, this vest has a buckle system on the side, and personally I like that better than adjusting the Velcro at the front all the time. I think it works quite well. At the back it uses Velcro and not the bungee system that a lot of other carriers uses, thankfully. The MOLLE system at the back is a little bit different than the normal one. Normally there are 4 slots, so 1 slot and 2 slots in the middle and 1 at the end. This one, however, has 1 slot that's used, 1 that's free, and 1 slot that's used again, so it's just one between the 2 MOLLE that it's used for fastening the backpack to it. So as you can see here, they are closer together, so that's quite a difference and something to be aware of. Okay, now this backpack is small but versatile. Right now it's in its open configuration, so to speak, so it has a lot of room for a lot of things, but then you can zip it up like this and it takes a lot less space. There's 3 different compartments. The small one, that's the one I'm showing here, that goes all the way down, and there's the big one there, and it also has a divider back there where you normally would have a more bladder for water or something like that, and you can also route your line out there, whether it be water for drinking or the HPA tank that you might be having in it. And this can also be made small again, like the back one, or the small compartment can be. Just zip it up and it's a neat little package. Now the Viper backpack can also be used together with the utility rig they have, and it's compatible with it. Clips are the same and things like that, so you can use that one together with this one. Now this rig is nice to run by itself, which I've also done. There are 2 Velcro lined compartments, and there's a removable lid, Velcro lid, that you can take off if you want to, and in the Velcro lined compartments you can put in a VX sleeve that you can use to have your mags in. This one, you put your mags in this one and have it down that sleeve in the pockets. And this is the dangler, which you can use also with the system. It has Velcro in the inside, and well, it works. A bit larger than the other one that they also have. This is the same kind that I've had for a while. All put together it looks like this. It's nice to run with. This is a different kind of wiper pouch with a real cool patch on it. This has the elastic bands in it instead of just Velcro. It works the same as I just shown you. This is with the inserts in it, of course. When it comes to the cummerbund, you can of course have things on it. You can have whatever you want fastened on it. Inside there's a padding that's kind of like the one that Warrior Assault Systems uses on their carriers, like the DCS for instance. Breathable and soft and real nice to run with. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video.